Because she is the only woman here.
Playing
First
with
place
Alena
goes to her.
second match
Yeah.
with a foreign member.
As an inspiration to women everywhere, I would like to thank my mother, my coaches. Thank you, Ellen.
Sure.
Please, all right. Don't impress my husband. I don't think I got a single game.
I'll probably get to see myself on video. See what's wrong.
Jeremy, are you going to be tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna come tomorrow. Yeah.
So you will pay tomorrow.
What's that?
You're gonna pay tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll pay both days.
Okay. Because I'm leaving now.
Gosh, it's hard to tell exactly.
I'm out of spin, huh?
Yeah, I'm
Practice, and
doing
I'm
that.
especially good without a ball. My
Shoot, it's
strokes
heavier
are
than it
so
looks, and
good.
other times it's less than it looks. Ah, stick that. My first loop, I got it. That's
This is
That's about, for me, it's a guessing game. Listen to you guys.
Joe, thank you for coming by. If you're gonna be next time in the area, welcome.
And you too.
And then give me, email me.
Okay.
And I will try to find, because it's a little bit short message from Jeremy. I guess.
How can I get to your parking lot? Like this way
By
or-
Toprank, you go to the, make the right, and first alley,
Okay.
over here. After 3, Emil gonna be here.
Who is?
Emil.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's
He's
gonna
good. He's a four member.
He is, excuse me?
Bill, what's his name? Last name?
Mahet, Mahmet or Mahet.
Yeah.
Emil, the big guy.
You got a beard and everything? I think he's a four member. Pretty good. He's about 2,000 player.
He is over 2000.
Yeah, he's 2,000.